Hey again, everybody. Quick afternoon update for Wednesday. It's about 10 to 3, about an hour before the day session closes. Looking at the Vedic chart, I mentioned in the video this morning the overlap area here was the first place for a potential low to form. We came into that zone where the A1 white, A2 green overlapped the B1 white zone, right where I have the blue arrow. We made the initial low. We took out the overnight support area, did a stop run, and then it blasted right out of there for about 25 points. So that was our first setup this morning, and then it came back to retest that low. By the way, that move up was the biggest move up since the 17th, the rally on the 17th. So now what we're looking for in order to set up our swing to the long side, we want to see some overbalance. And what we're looking at with that is the last move up before the high on the 14th. And that takes us to a level of about 40.47. When we take out 40.47, that would confirm that we've hit the low. But it looks like potentially the low may be in now because we came back, we retested and broke the early morning low on the day session at about 10:30. We came down to the red line to the price I mentioned on the morning video, about 39.92. Market came down to 39.89 or so, and then busted out of there and made a bigger move up than the prior move up. So that was a pretty good sign that the low may be in. What happened then? We are pushing back, looking to retest that low. We couldn't get there, and now we're just about to the end of the white window on the B1 panel. So it doesn't mean that the bottom is in now. It's most likely this low is in, but because we have these windows coming up tonight and tomorrow on the A2 and A3, it's possible we could take out this 39.88 low before we start to move out of here. But either way, we're getting close to the point where we can set up a swing trade on the long side. I want to pull the Astro Excel chart in for a second and show that point of overbalance. Here's the Astro Excel chart. You can see that we've started into the up move on the green line. We're sitting here in this accumulation period as the market tries to finally make this low before it starts to move up. Notice that late tonight, the blue line and the green line on the Astro Excel are both moving up in sync. You can see I have these Fibonacci extension projections. I'm projecting off of this low here. This particular swing up on the 17th was the one I referred to when we were looking at the Vedic timing window chart. This particular one-to-one was met this morning, so we made the same move as we did on the 17th, and that immediately flipped the market back down, and it's causing us to retest the current bottom. Then I went back to the retest of the high on the 15th. The last move up from there was right here, measuring this low to this swing high, and then projecting it from this low gives me that 40.47 number that I referred to. So we want to see that 40.47 number get taken out to complete overbalance the largest correction in the move down so far. But we don't have to wait that long before we put on a swing trade. So I'm going to see how this plays out. I'm going to watch that timing windows tonight and look to initiate a long options trade from there.